take the girly. Are you curious to what it feels like to get the most realistic oral pleasure from a toy? Well, meet the LELO Ora 3, an elegant, luxurious toy designed to mimic the feeling of oral sex. And in this video, we'll be unboxing the LELO Ora 3. Go over its feature and help you decide if this one's right for you. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about what makes this LELO Ora 3 so special. This toy measures 3.2 inches by 3.4 inches by 1.7 inches. Compact, elegant, and fits perfectly in your palm. It's made from body-safe silicone and ABS, so it feels silky smooth and luxurious on the skin. The Ora 3 features a rotating, vibrating, tongue-like pleasure knob powered by PreMotion Technology, which creates lifelike oral movements. It's designed to deliver real-feeling oral stimulation, moving in sensual, circular motions that mimic a tongue. And with 12 pulsating pleasure settings, you can easily find the rhythm that hits just right. It's also award-winning, internationally recognized, and certified toy, proving it's one of the most sophisticated oral stimulators out there. The Ora 3 is rechargeable, so you won't need to worry about batteries. Just plug it in the included USB charging cable, and after about 2 hours of charging, you'll get up to 1 hour of continuous playtime. It's also waterproof, which means you can safely use it in the shower or bathtub, and cleaning it is super easy. Using the Ora 3 is super easy. Here's how. Step 1. Apply a water-based lubricant around the toy's circular rim. Step 2. Place it gently against your clitoris or any erogenous zones you'd like to stimulate. Step 3. Press and hold the pass button to turn it on. You'll instantly feel the rotating knob begin to move. That's the PreMotion Technology at work. Step 4. Explore the 12 pulsating pleasure settings by pressing the plus or minus button to find your perfect match. You can keep it steady, move it in small circles, or adjust the angle for different sensations. Step 5. Once you're done, press and hold the minus button to turn it off. Clean it with sex toy cleaner or mild soap and water, dry it off, and store in the satin pouch. Who would love this toy? The LELO Ora 3 is perfect for anyone who loves oral sex-like sensations, those who want a luxury high-end toy experience, and of course, last but not the least, people who enjoy hands-free and solo foreplay. It also makes a stunning gift if you're surprising a partner, giving a naughty bridal shower present, or just treating yourself. This one's an elegant choice. And that wraps up our unboxing and quick guide for the LELO Ora 3. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on our social media pages. All the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe for more product guides and sexual wellness videos. And if you're already part of the Lauvette community, thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Love, love, mga lovies! Bye!